Welcome back to Three Trials Barbecue. Today we're going to be doing a hot and fast steak. I have a couple of steaks here that we got from a local grocery store. I'm going to go ahead and trim a little bit of this fat, and then we're going to be using some of the Killer Hogs AP and barbecue rub, as well as Sucklebusters SPG and barbecue rub. So let's get into it. So to start off, we're just gonna cut some of this extra fat, and all I wanna do is get it ready to just throw my rubs on. That fat is super thick, probably won't render. Okay, so we got the steaks trimmed up. All I'm gonna do is use some of this SPG. Be careful not to sneeze. This thing right here will make anyone sneeze. We're not gonna use a binder. We're just gonna go straight like that. We'll give it a tap. We're gonna come back with the barbecue rub. Don't forget the sides. Okay. Now we're gonna do the same thing with the Killer Hogs AP. You don't need to go crazy. A little bit of that barbecue rub. Give it a tap. Okay, so we got our steaks all ready to go. I'm gonna let them sit, soak up some of this beautiful rub that we put on them. We're gonna go set up the Traeger at 375, and we're gonna cook these hot and fast. Welcome back, guys. So we've had these steaks chilling for about 15 minutes. They've sweated real well. It's been a little gloomy and rainy this week, so we got a little bit of rain. But let's go ahead, throw these on. And we're gonna let them go, and then we'll come and turn them around. I'm gonna shoot for 130, 135 on those two steaks, and we'll see what kind of grill marks they get. So we'll see you guys in a little bit. So it's been 15 minutes on these steaks. Let's go ahead and turn them over. Just so they can get a little bit more heat. So it's got a little bit of grill grate, which is nice. Let's check the temperature. We're at 109. This thinner one All right, everyone, let's take some temperature. It's been a couple minutes extra. All right. We are at 135, so this bad boy's ready to come out too. Our steaks are done. So we'll go ahead and take them inside. We'll cut a breast, and then we'll dice into them. See you guys in a second. We got the steaks done. This thinner one cooked pretty fast. I think within 20 minutes this one was done. This one took a little bit extra. But look at this. This is awesome. Nice grill marks. Look at that. Still has a little bit of pink. This one was thinner. It was temping around 140 or so, 150. I'm gonna go ahead and give this a try. This is the Killer Hogs. I'll have to try more. That is good. That AP and then the slight coat of the barbecue rub, perfect combo. That boy Malcolm Reed, he really got it down. I'll give you guys a view of that. So this one here, we're gonna go ahead and also give this a try. So you guys see it. This one's cooked to perfection. This one got up to 135, and this one's a Sucklebusters SPG and competition barbecue rub. Let's go ahead and give this a try. Definitely going for seconds on this one. I'm gonna go ahead and slice some of this up so you guys can see better. And I'm gonna tell you guys right now, my favorite today is gonna be the Sucklebusters, and it's not for the rub. It's because this is how I like my steak. This one was too thin to where it still has a little bit of pink in there, but you know what? I like it like this. It just makes the meat so much juicier when it's a little bit on the rare side. So really good cook today, really fast, 375 using the cooking pellets. This was awesome. This is a good protein for anyone who's trying to do it. We only seasoned it for about 20 minutes since all we did was just let it sweat. The SPG, the AP, the salt, the pepper, the garlic in there really stands out. And then that nice coat of the barbecue rubs really finish it off well. I want to thank you guys for joining me today. If you haven't hit them likes or subscribed, please do. And we'll see you guys on the next one.
Thank you for watching Traeger's Barbecue.